MMDA Assistant Secretary Celine Pialago went ballistic on social media. ABS-CBN's Doris Bigornia got her upset over a TV news report. Pialago blamed Bigornia for causing confusion among motorists regarding the reopening of a U-turn slot in Quezon City. The MMDA official said the story became misleading because of the text message. On Facebook, Pialago showed the screen grab of the text used in Bigornia's report. And the unedited conversation. Pialago has threatened to sue Bigornia. The MMDA official also revealed she once filed a complaint against the veteran reporter. Now, Pialago regrets withdrawing that case against Bigornia.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.